Hey guys, welcome back to the Puro Fail Show. It's Finian here. Happy Sunday. Hope you're having a great one. And for everyone who's been asking, the wait is finally over. Air horn pranks is here. Thank you so much for your patience. I know a lot of you guys have been requesting this for a while, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. We've also got 4 more segments packed with some of the best and funniest videos, so let's not waste any more time and get straight into it with the air horn pranks. Let's go check them out.
God damn it. You jackass! You little motherfucker! Fired.
Fool running around with a freaking shotgun!
Babe!
You're cheating!
Babe!
You're cheating! What?
Can you get off the game?
Sashi, I just got on the game. And I
Can
told
you
you
get
I was
off
doing
the
it.
game?
I just told you I was getting on the game. You said okay. So
Okay,
what is the issue?
but now I want you to come lay
Okay,
down
no,
with me.
I'm not gonna.
Get off the game!
Bro, you got me so. Ain't no way you brought the here.
Get off the
Take
game.
that.
Get off the game.
Stop!
Shit! God damn it!
You gonna wake up?
Golly.
James is here.
Yeah, I believe it.
You need another one?
Do it.
Huh?
Do it. Do it again.
Damn it, you would have messed me up on this hat. Damn it!
I swear you have autism! This is why mom doesn't love
God damn it! You mother... I'm so... Oh my gosh! Ethan! God damn it! God damn it, Chase!
Oh, this was definitely worth the wait. The reactions with the air horn are just way too funny. There is just no way to prepare yourself for that sound, no matter how tough you think you are. I mean, it just gets you every single time. And what really gets me is watching people try to play it off right after, like they weren't just terrified out of their socks. Oh, that recovery attempt is honestly funnier than the actual scare itself sometimes. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed that segment. We still got a lot more funny ones to come, so let's keep it going with scare pranks with masks. Let's go check them out.
That guy's going to the league straight out of high school. Come on, me.
Doing me!
إذا منه يفتحونه.
All right, this is what we're working with. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Can you find me? I'm here. Behind you, look.
Carla?
Behind you.
Carla?
Trying to bring him up in here.
You need privacy?
Tell me what's the gym.
Oh my god!
Which one?
Down.
No, I wasn't. It is so positive.
Oh, you scared the out of me. No, that's not funny.
Oh, this segment always hits different because your brain just refuses to accept what it's seeing for like that split second, right? And that's exactly when the panic just takes over. If you're enjoying this show so far, please hit that like button right now. It really does help us out. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you go ahead and do that too so you never miss a Sunday with us. Let me know in the comments what segment you want to see next. I read every single one. Now, let's move on to husbands versus wives pranks. Let's go check them out.
It's better when it's fresh.
This is fresh, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it kind of has like a really strong aroma, especially like in the morning.
I definitely sense it. It's a little strong, and
What do you mean?
the smells a little strong.
Yeah, so then we just start this way, and you always want to swipe out.
Okay.
Okay? And you try to stay away
Above my lip, that right there is real dry all the time.
Well, you try to stay away from the lips, but it's good for your hair.
Fucking strong.
What do you mean?
It just.
All right,
It's
and then you always want to make sure you use a different cloth. And every morning when I go to the bathroom,
It smells like fish. What?
okay.
Is this like a?
Listen, stop. I'm trying to tell them about it. Can you stop?
Yeah.
Okay. Every morning when I go to the bathroom, I'm sorry. I'm trying to tell them the ingredients.
What?
You're a terrible patient. Okay, I tried to show them. I'm gonna have to restart. Okay, come on.
Okay.
Every morning.
Good. Like, we can't do this all day. Come on now.
It's just dripping off you. Okay. Every morning. Hey, I'm serious.
Okay.
Every morning. When I go pee.
You do this when you pee?
No. Every morning when I go pee, I make sure that I go in this cup right here, and then.
It's burning! You did not just say you pissed in that cup.
We had some tequila. So here's my husband. He's such a good sport. He loves my games. There's 3 cups here. One of them has tequila. The other 2 have water. So based on his facial expressions, I'm supposed to guess which one was the tequila. And try not to make a face so I don't guess which one.
No, it's been a while since I did shots.
Oh yeah, since last weekend. Okay. How's that feel?
It's good.
Okay. Let's try number 2. Trying no facial expressions. I need to really guess. I'm thinking that one was water that you just drank. You okay? Are you okay? What happened? What happened?
It's okay. No.
Okay. That one's a little, let me see the last one. What?
Nothing.
Don't make facial expressions. I'm not gonna be able to tell. What happened?
Okay, the wives really showed up today. From the very first clip, you could tell that they had this dialed in perfectly. Sharp timing, great setups, and the husbands just couldn't keep up no matter what they tried. A few of the husbands, I mean, their attempts had potential, but the execution wasn't quite there this round. This one goes to the wives, hands down. But who do you think won? Let me know in the comments. I read them all. Now, let's move on to well-hidden scares. Let's go check them out.
Vita? Venga!
Shot has been one dog.
Hi. Oh my god. Hurry.
¡Estamos listos! ¡Esa cabrón!
I need your help!
¿Qué pasó? Iris. Mira. ¿Qué metiste? What's wrong with you?
This segment is all about patience, and today's clips prove that some of these pranksters are willing to wait forever for that perfect moment. The setups here were so sneaky that even I couldn't find out where the scare was coming from until it actually happened. That's what makes this one so satisfying. The victims genuinely could never see it coming because there was nothing obvious to give it away. Well guys, we've made it to our final segment. We're gonna close out strong with the favorites. Let's go check them out.
I'll give you one last chance to take me up on my offer.
Well, here's my counteroffer. You're under arrest. Oh my God.
What? I wasn't there when I first saw it.
What do you mean, Grandpa?
He kissed it on the rock.
Fresh orange juice just for you.
Why so little?
Because it took a long time to make. If you like it, taste it, I'll make more.
Okay.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Wanna make more?
Yeah. Finish. You done? We're gonna make it later. Now?
Yeah.
All right.
No! No! Oh! Oh! Oh!
I told you it was fresh. Here, drink it.
Oh!
Uber for Hema? You like pop music?
Every Sunday morning, something smells incredible. Fresh baked biscuits stacked up high upon the table. Emma says Grandma guards the recipe with her life, but she only cooks at midnight and she's terrified of light. Her robe is guiding wide, her footsteps come in threes, but no one has too many things when breakfast tastes like these. Emma's grandma is 3 raccoons in a row. One controls the talking, one the walking, one the stove. The family has suspected it for several years or so, but she makes incredible biscuits, so they chose not to know. 3 raccoons in a row. 3 raccoons in a row. Are they legally her grandma? That is frankly not our role. Emma's grandma is 3 raccoons in a row, and until the biscuits suffer, nobody's racking that bowl. 3 raccoons in a row. 3 raccoons in a row. Emma's grandma is 3 raccoons in a row.
Te venía a preguntar algo.
Pero no, ahora no.
Uy, Dios, se me enojó la abuela.
Claro.
Mandel's mom. The grocery store.
Hey, buddy. Hey, can you help me over here by the charcoal?
Was that you? What the hell? Uber for Artie? Y'all look nice. What's the occasion?
Turns the universe. There's something strange the doctors couldn't understand. They called in every expert from across the land. They ran a dozen tests and checked from head to toe. Then one brave scientist said, there's something you should know.
Artie has a rare condition, no doctor can explain. A perfectly square exit at the end of his food chain. 4 corners equal edges, not a curve anywhere. And the shape of what comes out of it is scientists scare.
Oops,
his mind. A tiny perfect pyramid was sitting there behind.
Build a castle, build a fort, build a tiny food court. Make a staircase, make a stoop, all constructed out of poop. Poops, poop cubes, poop poops, poop cubes. Party poops, poop cubes.
How does it feel when you take fiber on the regular?
Party poops, poop cubes.
Alright, 5 stars.
Well, guys, that's a wrap on today's show. I hope you had a great time watching and that your Sunday is going out on a high note. Thank you so much for all the love and support you guys bring every single week. It genuinely means everything to us. If you enjoyed the episode, please leave a like and make sure you're subscribed so you never miss a Sunday with us. We've got more great stuff coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for hanging out with me again today, guys, and I'll see you next weekend.